Right, back here on Kent's New Yorker. We have most of our parts in. We're actually going to be taking the fuel rail today over to our friends at F&L Hose because we can't get an NOS or a good one. So we get to get creative. Right now, Wes is getting ready to pull this valve cover, like I said. And there's good gaskets, and we're gonna put the nice Perma-Dry pluses in because the factory cork ones leaked and they suck, and our old injectors had little oil staining on them. We'll be good to go. All right, there's the old gasket. It's like a rubber cork junk factory one. Look at this thing's got Beehive springs and it's from '93. So guess what? When everybody says, "Oh, GM came out with the Beehives on the LS," wrong. Y'all wrong. Wrong. So Wessy's getting the thing. Valve cover pretty and clean, but can't get something sludged up with only like 22,000 miles on it.
That's true.
So Wessy's gonna give that a quick little wipe down. We're gonna wipe down our edge here and put our new gasket on this side. And then Wes will do the other side while I run to the hose guy. All right, so original injectors were a little scuzzed up, and they're already out anyway, and they're really, really cheap for new ones. So we got new ones. This is new. These are the original. But we did buy a whole set. Dirt cheap. While you're in there, might as well, because you got all the rest of the shit apart. So here it is. That looks good enough, Wessy. Little wipe down and away we go. There we go. Nice Perma-Dry. Perma-Dry Plus. Yeah, it's a Monday. Wessy's got the valve cover ready to go. Let's put that baby on, sir.
Slide right in.
Slide it in.
Just like that.
Just like that. Like this and like that and like this and that's how the song goes, right?
Something like that.
Alright, cool. Alright. Wessy's gonna stick a couple bolts in there and get the baby snuggied up. Looks good to me, sir. And I'll get a finalized video when I get back of that one on all pretty. Good job. Look at this beautiful work on the valve covers. Good job, Wessy Wes. Looks good. Fuel rail is over at F&L Hose. It's getting redone. It's getting brazed. It's going to be never leaking again. And then we will begin that reassembly.